Marlyn Example. We need to discuss about the mean of the sampling distribution. Let's start for the example. In FCC supermarket have a different prices of soap. The following of prices 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Find the mean distribution of the sampling distribution of the sample mean with a sample size 4. So, kung yan yung mga soap na ito yung soap. So, ito yung mga soap. Then the prices is 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then yung mga P of tomato na nandun na siya. Then yung 6 is kung yan yung mga sample mo. X and P of X. Paano ba kukunin yung X and P of X? 10 times 1 divided by 6 is equals to 1.67. 12 times 1 divided by 6 is equals to 2. 14 times 1 divided by 6 is equals to 2.33. Then 7 is 16 times 1 is divided 6 is equals to 2.67. Then 18 times 1 divided by 6. 18 times 1 divided 6 is equals to 3. Then 20 times 1 divided by 6 is 3.33. Then the second is the how to solve the x squared and the p of x. 10 squared times 1 is equals to 6. 10 squared times 1 divided by 6 is equals to 16.67. 12 squared times 1 divided by 6 is equals to 24. 14 squared times 1 divided by 6 is equals to 32.67. Then 16 squared times 1 is divided by 6 is equals to 42.67. 18 squared times 1 divided by 6 is equals to 54. 20 squared times 1 divided by 6 is equals to 66.67. So, ito total lang yung x squared and p of x is equals to 36.68. Then, ito total din yung mga x times p of x is equals to 15. Then, yung price din is equals to 90. So, proceed tayo kung paano ito Then, so natapos na natin yung first table. Yung second one is, kukunin natin yung mean of mean. Yung formula niya is mean equals summation of x divided by total of population. Total lang natin kung ilan yung mga prices ng soap. 10 plus 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18 plus 20 divided by 6. Yung total ng prices ng soap is 90. Then, i-divide lang natin sa 6. Yung mean natin is magiging 15. Then, then the second one na kukunin natin is yung mean sample. Yung formula niya is mean equals summation x bar divided by number of population. So, paano ba natin kukunin yung sampling distribution? So, yung 6 and 4, yung 6 naman, kung ilan yung mga sample size, kung ilan yung mga sample natin, yung 4 naman is kung ilan yung sample size natin. Then, yung nakuha natin is 15. And, yung variance population, so ngayon, nakuha na natin yung sample size natin. So, ngayon, nakagawa na yung table, i-discuss na lang natin. Then, ito yung N is yung sample size natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then yung nasa taas is yung mga prices natin. Yung P1 is 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Muna natin yung sample size. Ito na yon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So, ito yung mga possible size natin. So, 1 is 10, 12, 14, 16. Second is 10, 12, 14, 18. Third, 10, 12, 14, 20. The fourth is 10, 12, 16, 18. The fifth is 10, 12, 16, 20. 6, 10, 12, 18, 20. 10, 14, 16, 18. 10, 14, 18, 20. 10, 16, 18, 20. 12, 14, 16, 18. 12, 14, 18, 20. 12, 16, 18, 20. 14, 16, 18, 20. 14, 16, 20, 10. 14, 16, 20, and 12. So, ngayon, nakuha na natin yung mga sample size. Ngayon, kukunin na natin yung X-bar, kung paano kukunin yun. Simple lang. Itong apat na to, yung sample size natin, ipa-plus mo lang siya, then, i-divide mo siyang 4. Yung makukuha mo is 13. And the second, the same na, and so on and so forth. Then, ito total lang yung X-bar, yung nakuha natin is 2.125. So, ito yung formula ng sampling distribution. Yung total ng X-bar is 225 divided by 15. Yung makukuha mo is 15. So, ito yung ito yung formula ng population variance. Population variance equals to summation bracket x squared and p of x bracket minus mean squared. The variance population is equals to summation bracket x squared and p of x bracket minus mean squared. Variance population is equals to 236.68. Nakuha natin dito. Then, yung 50 is nakuha natin dun sa mean natin. Then, yung 236.68, i-minus lang dito sa 225. Paano nakuha yung 225? 15 square root. Makukuha mo is 225. Then, pag minus mo to, is makukuha mo is 11.68. Then, i-square root mo siya ng 11.68 is makukuha mo is 3.42. So, ngayon, nasa third table natin. So, yung x, kung ilan yung mga naulit. So, nasa third table na tayo. Paano ba kukunin yung x? Nakuha natin yung x dito sa x bar. Ito yun. Yung 13, 13.5, 14, 14.5, 15, 15.5, 16, 16.5, 17. Yung frequency, kung ilan yung naulit dito sa sample size natin. Yung 30 is 1, 13.5 is 1, 14 is 2, 14.5, 2, 15 is 3, 15.5, 2, 16 is 2, 16.5 is 1, 17, 1. Yung P of X natin, automatic na, nandito na yung 1. Yung 15 natin, kung ilan yung mga sample size natin, or kung ilan yung mga sample natin. X times P of X. Paano ba kukunin X times P of X? 13 times 1 divided by 15 is equals to 0.86. Yung 13.5 times 1 divided by 15 is 0.9. 14 times 2 divided by 15 is 0.93. 14.5 is 2 times 2 divided by 50 is 0.96. Then 15 times 3 divided by 15 is 1. 15.5 times 2 divided by 50 is 1.03. 16 times 2 divided by 15 is 1.07. 16.5 times 1 divided by 15 is 1.1. 17 times 1 divided by 15 is 1.13. Then yung x squared times p of x, makukuha natin ito, the same lang, pero lalagyan lang natin ng square root. Yung 13 squared times 1 divided by 15 is 11.27. 13.5 times its squared times 1 divided by 15 is 12.15. 14 squared times 2 divided by 15 is 26.13. 14.5 squared times 2 divided by 50 is 28.3. Then 15 squared times 3 divided by 15 is 45. 15.5 times squared times 2 divided by 15 is 32.3. 16 squared times 2 divided by 15 is 35.13. 16.5 squared times 1 divided by 15 is equals to 18.15. 17 squared times 1 divided by 15 is 19.23. So, ito total lang na yung frequency kung ilan yung mga naulit. So, 15. Then, yung x times p of x, i-add din to. Yung nakuha natin is 8.98. Then, yung x squared times p of x, yung nakuha din natin is 226.16. So, ito yung mga formula ng sample variance is equals to summation bracket times 2. Ito yung formula ng sample variance. Sample variance is equals to summation bracket x squared times p of x bracket minus mean squared. Yung 2.26 to 26.16, nakuha natin siya dito. Yung 2.25 naman is dito sa population variance. So, i-minus lang natin. Yung nakuha natin sa sample variance is equals to 1.16. Then, i-square root natin siya. Yung magiging sagot is 1.08. Then, sample variance equals to population variance divided by square root of total population times the sample size equals 11.68. Nakuha natin siya dito sa population variance. Then square root of 4 times the sample of size. Then yung nakuha natin dito is dinivide ko. Then yung nakuha ko is 2.92. Then ito yung minus ko, nakuha ko is 0.4. Then yung pinag-times ko, nakuha ko is 1.16.